This selfless 4-year-old girl is using the money from her piggy bank to help a police officer with cancer. Sidney Fahrenbruch, who's a big fan of police officers, visits the Longmont police station in Colorado weekly, usually bringing them treats. So when she saw a fundraiser poster for the officer, Kyle Zulauf, she wanted to help. So instead of buying a toy, she brought them the $9 to contribute to his fund. Zulauf, an Army vet and father of 3, was diagnosed with pancreatic cancer a year and a half ago, and his station has been trying to help raise funds for an additional surgery. Little Sidney has a close relationship with the police department. In July, a different officer helped her search her new home for monsters.
Take a good look. Nothing there? Did you check under the cushions, or do you think we're good?
Sidney's mom says that her love for cops started a year and a half ago when she brought an officer directing traffic water on a hot day. Visit 1010wins.com if you would like to donate to Officer Zulauf's fundraiser.